If your Wi-Fi randomly drops connection or suffers from extreme ping spikes during gaming or video calls, your network card is likely scanning for nearby routers in the background. Here's how to fix it in Device Manager.
Welcome to Rich Guides. Let's get straight into it.
Right-click your Start button and open Device Manager. Then expand Network Adapters. You're looking for the card with 802.11, wireless, or Wi-Fi in the name, like this Realtek 802.11 AC adapter. If you aren't sure which one is active, press Windows key and R, type ncpa.cpl, and hit enter. The card showing your Wi-Fi network name next to it is the one you need to edit. Back in Device Manager, right-click your active wireless adapter and select Properties. Switch to the Advanced tab, scroll through the property list, select Roaming Aggressiveness, and set the value drop down to lowest. This stops Windows from constantly scanning for other routers when you already have a solid connection. Next, scroll to the same list and select Fat Channel Intolerant. Change its value to Enabled. This prevents your network card from trying to jump onto overcrowded white channels that cause severe packet loss. Click OK to save your settings.
If this quick fix saved you some time, smash that like button and subscribe to Rich Guides so you always have a tech toolkit right in your feed. See you in the next one.